So today we are going to start our parents math book. Like we'll do important chapters from that. So the book we'll doing would be this one. You can download the PDF. So let's start with the first. We are going with the percentage chapter. Percentage. First thing we know, we do like show this with the symbol. So you need to know this, and the word percent simply means hundredth means it needs 100 in their number. Every multiplication, division, every solution would be done when you will add 100, when you will divide 100 or multiply, no matters what you do, but you're supposed to add 100. So word percent means 100. Okay, then we know that if we just take an example. So here example which we are going to take is 17%. You can have any other example, like you will see it would be written like this because this is the sample and that would be represented like this. Then how we will solve this? So it will be solved like 17 you are supposed to divide with 100 so that you get their answer. So when you will divide these you will get 0.17. 0.17. Okay, this should be important. This is very important because this is the basic. Okay, then you can take any other example as well, but I'm sure you've gotten because this is the topic which we've studied in our classes before ninth metric. So let's take 8%. The same process will go. You are supposed to divide this with 100 and you will get the answer which would be 0.8. That's so simple. Okay, so now let's go with one important task. Like we are done. If you look here, we are done with this one complete. Now we are going to how to convert percent to a decimal or percent to a fraction. Like we know what numbers are these: decimal which have points into their, okay, which have points, but when you talk about fraction they have upon value which could be divided. Like in fraction we do have numerator and denominator, so that both are very important. So we are doing this one page. Now let's start with the basic. We know fraction, decimal, these important points. So now you can see we are going to convert these points. So first thing you will need to know here, we are converting percentage to decimal or to fraction. Okay, so let's take example of 25%. What does this mean? If how we just get 0.25 which is written here. So when you will divide this with 100, as I just told you, 25 which would be divided by 100, what will you get? You will get 0.25. Okay, this is how we done, but we need to convert this question into fraction. So this means we need to give them numerator and denominator. So how we'll do that? 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100. Simply we just get 1 upon 4. This was its fraction form. I'm sure you've gotten. Now let's move to another example. Another example here is this one. One is very easy, so we are going with this 250. It's 250%. 250%. This means if we'll divide this with 250 divided by 100, what we'll get? Just cut the 0 with the 0, then 2, like 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. So we just get the answer which is 5 upon 2.